and more of the quarterfinals games that we have for you. Introducing to you first, TNT Tropang Giga. From Meralco at number 8, Eximiniano. From Nueva Ecija at number 9, Sambor Del Leon. From Pampanga at number 18, Larvin Flores. From Bicol at number 26, Alban Basacos. Coach of TNT Tropang Giga, Coach Mau Belen. Next, Meralco Bulls. From Bacolod City, Jersey 0, Tornado Gonzaga. From Cebu at number 7, Alfred Patino. From Guagua, Pampanga at number 9, Dexter Marquez. From Cebu at number 15, Joseph Sadorifa. Coach of the Meralco Bulls, Coach Patrick Cran. Our referees for this game, Dax Dakanay, Brian Peclaro. Quarterfinals Parin.
This is Isa Chong joining you from the sidelines. Meralco's Dexter Maiquez said that Nino's return to the roster needed a little bit of an adjustment but does not take away from their strongly built chemistry and system. But defense and communication will be key to getting to the finals. Meanwhile, TNT's Lervin Flores said their main focus will be hyping up one another at sana daw ang hype na yon ay umabot na rin hanggang sa game ng TNT sa 5v5 tonight. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Isa. TNT winners of the first and third legs versus Meralco winners of the second leg. Isa lang sa kanila ang matutuloy ang pangarap masungkit itong ika-apat, Coach Ron. And it is now the X Factor, being Eximiniano, getting it over to Vosotros. This guy was on fire earlier today, scoring 13 points for his team, Coach Ron.
And no matter how he takes a shot, has shown the ability that he can make his shots. Walang mahirap na tira para kay Vosotros. You have to work doubly hard because he will carve space and manufacture one crafty shot after another.
Patino with a getaway. We are tied at 1.
Double big combination para sa Meralco. They go inside for their first offensive possession after turning the ball over earlier. Wow.
Kanina sa loob, ngayon sa labas.
Both against Maiquez.
Si Vosotros talaga ay definite scoring machine para sa Tropang Giga. Offensive foul, illegal pick.
Dexter Maiquez has to prove that he can guard Vosotros even for a fraction in the offensive possession ng TNT. Kasi maski anong gawin mo, talagang sasabit ka sa screen.
De Leon, atras, abante, naipit na muwersa, airball yun. Shot clock winding down. Should he play on? Dahil napunta na sa Meralco possession. Sedorifa backing upon Vosotros. Traveling ang pinito kay Joseph dito.
More turnovers than attempts para sa Meralco. Not willing to share that basketball. Right now, TNT doing a good job. With Vosotros, hindi masyadong nahihirapan dahil bago makatake Meralco, light tapon na nila.
Shot clock winding down para sa Tropang Giga. Vosotros with some daylight.
All of the baskets ng TNT galing sa penetration ni Vosotros. Vosotros, is he too quick para sa defenders ng Meralco? Last time they met, nagpaulan ng 2-pointers ang TNT laban sa Meralco. Ngayon naman, lahat atake ni Vosotros sa loob.
Parang palos, ano?
Palos, exactly.
Ito si Vosotros. Maiquez down low. Offensive foul yun. Okay na pero hindi labas pa yung offhand, ano?
And that's another team turnover. Useless move on the part of Dexter Maiquez. Tatawagan talaga.
Sa huli. First two quarterfinals natin, one right at the end, parehong 2-point winning shots. Magiging 3 na ro ba? De Leon would like to think so. Maikes trying to get it to Gonzaga, play broken up, but it ends up with Sendorifa. Overcooks the shot though. Flores will clear it para sa Tropang Giga. Samboy lines it up. Doesn't work. Eximiniano tracks it down.
Sinuwerte dito ang Meralco. I thought that Gonzaga held on to Flores, but possession will stay with TNT.
Almond trying to break free. The scoop doesn't work, but Flores is there to clean it up.
Every penetration ng TNT is a basket, and Meralco will throw the ball again.
Napansin ko lang, Coach Ronnie, ha? Last couple of sequences, especially the last one, si Maikes at si Sendorifa, hanggang ngayon nagsisigawan. Parang hindi sila nagkakaintindihan sa defensive assignments.
One defensive breakdown after another. Lost opportunity to score.
Sa opensa,
they needed
okay
that.
naman daw.
Oh, they needed that. Shot and down for Meralco because TNT was pulling away. Masyadong maraming pagkakamali, and gagatasan niya ng TNT all the way. TNT 5 of 8 has hardly missed from inside.
Si Patino naman, the big man ng Meralco, telling his squad, telling the other two to calm themselves down. Let's see if he can power through kontra kay Almond. Tumulong si Flores dahil lang si Patino humingi ng foul. Nasa Meralco pa rin naman ang bola, but it is taken away by Eximiniano.
Joseph Sendorifa not playing the way he did dun sa nakalipas na leg.
Flores pounding it inside. It's going to be a foul on Sendorifa.
3-point lead para sa TNT.
Ikatlong team foul din yan para dito sa Meralco naman.
This is game number 7 already out of the 12 matches na mayroon tayo dito sa leg 4 bago tayo tumulak sa leg 5 sa Robinson's Antipolo.
Almond. Big spin. Kontra kay Tonino.
Vosotros is 4 of 5. Buses, nasa labas lang siya.
Ayan na
Atake.
naman. Ayan na naman si Almond.
Oh, very poor play on the part of Tonino Gonzaga. Not clearing the ball.
Yun lang.
Hindi pa ba niya napansin na hindi siya binabantayan ni Vosotros?
Yun yun eh, pag napansin mong, uy, hindi na ilabas, hayaan mong matake, no?
Na-scorean ka na, naisahan ka pa.
Hindi mo rin sasabihin, uy, hindi mo pa nalalabas kasi baka ilabas nga. Hayaan mo lang kasi
Nasa sa
automatic
iyo kasi
turnover yun.
possession mo at hawak mo ang bola.
Automatic turnover, no? Pagka tumira to, yari na. Almond. Any angle imaginable, Coach Ronnie.
Just toying with the defense of Meralco at this stage of the match.
Gonzaga hanging in the air. Patino is there for the stick back.
Big 6-point lead para sa Meralco before that putback nitong si Batino. Dalawang conversions pa lang dito ang Meralco.
Eximiniano short. Maikes with the board.
Ang possession count, konting-konti para sa Meralco sa dami ng tapo nila.
Nosotros looking to get the drop on Tonino. Almond contra Gonzaga. Pull-up jumper off the window.
Unguardable, even against the taller defenders. Meralco in disarray at this stage of the match.
Nosotros has 7 of the 9 points para sa TNT as Maikes delivers his second deuce.
Big 2-point conversion once again by Maikes, keeping Meralco in this match.
Eximiniano, no. Gonzaga di discarte, down by 4 ang Meralco. Before the shot, says the referee.
5 points only for Meralco, and we've already gotten past the halfway mark. Normally, this is a very good scoring team. But in the last few matches, they've struggled to get to 21, really. Now, not even getting close to TNT, who was up by leads as big as 6 points earlier.
If not for those two two-pointers, ni Maikes, hindi mo na malaman saan pupulutin ng Meralco dito. They have possession though coming off this timeout. Let's see if they can execute better. Sedurifa over to Maikes. Maikes being given space by Flores. Gonzaga on the attack. Gets the drop on De Leon. Niluwa pa rin. Gonzaga second serving finally para sa Bolts.
Persistence for Gonzaga, but let's see if he can play defense because Vosotros has scored time and again versus his defense.
7 of the 9 yan ng TNT kay Almond. Oh!
Unbelievable.
9 of the 11 courtesy of Almond Vosotros. And now Flores gets away because lahat ng depensa nakatutok kay Vosotros.
Kailangan pahirapan mo sa depensa si Vosotros kasi grabe kanya bayuhin sa opensa.
Mapagod man lang o mabawasan lang yung lakas.
Oo, grabe.
Killer quick release on the part of Almond there. TNT's lead is 5, 12-7. Just over 4 minutes remaining in this quarterfinal matchup. Maikes from the corner. Di makuha yung kanyang pangatlo. Patino against 2. Taken away by Eximiniano.
Very good defensive play on the part of Eximinianos. Patino commits another turnover para sa Meralco.
Patino lost his headband. Patino and Eximiniano getting entangled here. Patino crashes to the floor.
Pang-lima. Let's see if magagatasan niya ng Meralco because their scoring has come to a halt. Sedurifa only 1 point. It's the bigs who are scoring for them. Pero nagsasalba sa kanila is yung shooting ni Mike so far.
Here we go. Sedurifa trying to go inside. Patino had the chair pulled from under him. Nagulangan ni De Leon.
But that was a bad pass ni Sedurifa. Nakita mo namang alanganin. Hindi mo na ibibigay dahil meron ka pang isang malaki.
The look on Patino's face says it all. Sabi niya, hinatak daw siya. Sabi na rep, hindi, yung imaginary chair lang ang nakatak. 12-7. TNT by 5. 3-3-3 natitira sa knockout game na ito. Vosotros di discarte. Chased around by Sedurifa. Vosotros fresh off the bench. Wala. Last touch on Patino yan.
3:23 to play, 5-point lead by the TNT. Quarterfinals.
Hindi tumama sa ring, ano? So 2.2
Yes.
remain on the shot clock.
Watch out for Vosotros.
2.2.
A check ball shooter if I've seen one.
Vosotros. Uwi na! Uwi na tayo!
Wala ka na magagawa ron. Vosotros now with a total of 11 points. Meralco in a deep 7-point hole. But
TNT doubling upon Meralco after that miracle bounce from Almond Vosotros.
this will put TNT over the limit, but they have a very comfortable 7-point lead.
Naman yung mga pang-Kawhi Leonard finish eh.
Ang bihira talaga.
Tatlo,
Iba,
apat talbo.
ibang level.
That's what I guess.
11 puntos na para kay Vosotros. First game kanina, 13 ginawa niya. Grabe buhat ginagawa dito ni Almond.
14-8.
Vosotros against Gonzaga. Look at these two go at it. Vosotros loses it. Sedurifa, two-pointer is good.
Meralco once again still alive. 3 points in 2 possessions.
Vosotros on the attack.
Got a foul.
Foul before the shot.
That's number 4.
Another look at that booming two-pointer. Sedurifa keeping Meralco within 4. The mind games between Gonzaga and Vosotros here. Almond with a quick release. Samboy na sandwich dito.
Gonzaga is out of control. May warning na siya kanina and ngayon, useless foul instead of just blocking out. Yan natin yan. Ayan, no? Foul talaga. When Sedorifa was there to help him out in securing the defensive rebound. Another loss of possession para dito sa Meralco.
Flores puts it on the deck. Now shovels it back to Vosotros. Almond with an opening. Nice box out there by Sedorifa. Hindi niya pinabayaang ma-follow up yun ni Lurvin. Sedorifa trying to dive in.
There will be 2 free throws para kay Sedorifa.
Yun lang. Ito nga yung binabanggit kung pwedeng i-capitalize na Meralco.
Yan na lang kasi hindi mo naabutan eh. Husay gumamit ng oras ni Vosotros at De Leon. And so far it has been Vosotros versus the rest of Meralco. Meralco with 7 turnovers and that has hurt them a lot. Grabe.
Ito yung uulitin natin na diskarte, Coach Ronnie. Sa mga naglalaro ng PBA 3x3 dyan, lalo na yung babago-bago pa. Pagka yung kalaban mo lamang pero nasa penalty na hindi nyo kailangan magdododos, i-atake nyo 2 free throws yan.
Actually, hindi naman nagdododos ito kanina. Although, this is beside the point that you mentioned. Ang TNT, inararo yung Meralco sa penetrations.
Grabe. So yun, naging 2-point game na lang tayo after those 2 makes.
Nako, breakdown na naman para sa Meralco.
What a pass by Vosotros. 3-point lead for TNT. Batino trying to barrel his way through. Sa rebound play, merong foul. If it's against TNT, 2 shots to.
Ay, mukhang kay Maikes na naman. Too many fouls. Too many fouls by Meralco na hindi kailangan. Nandun sila sa chance ang makakuha ng rebound. Hahawak sila.
Yun nga yung problema ng Meralco dahil nga si Maikes ang pinituan ng foul, magpe-penalty na sila
Yes,
dito.
exactly. That was the only advantage na mayroon sila. But because of being undisciplined, madadali sila. How do you stop now, TNT?
Vosotros.
Nakita mo?
Somebody will be at the line dahil sa pagkahablot. Ayan na nga, si Almond pa ang napunta doon. Kanina, 13 of the 21. Ngayon, 11 of the 15. Talking about the total points ni Almond, nagmintis nga lang sa unang free throw.
Swerte pa ang Meralco dito at sumablay si Vosotros. Dahil huling sumablay si Vosotros nung warm-up eh.
Akala ko sabihin mo mga 3 weeks ago.
Actually, baka mas matagal pa.
Vosotros takes care of the second. That's a 4-point lead para sa TNT. Sedorifa splitting 2 defenders. Emergency pass to Maikes. Inabot ang shot clock dito. TNT's defense swallowing up Meralco there.
TNT has really controlled this game. From start up to this point of the match, mas disiplinado sila at nakakarating yung bola sa dapat paratingan.
Vosotros dancing and prancing and launching. No go. Lurvin. Wala. Vosotros pa rin.
Almost turnover number 8 para sa Meralco.
Nice pass. Matino to Maikes. Ang daming hesitation move nun. Ayaw mabutata. Napunta na tuloy sa TNT possession. Just over a minute remaining. Vosotros.
Looking for the killer.
No go, but Flores boards it.
Ang Maikes. Just half-heartedly not blocking out at it cost them another possession. Ang bigat ng possession count para dito sa TNT. They have 8 more possessions. And that will really be hard to beat, especially against a very good unit.
Eximiniano overcooks this one. Sedorifa launches it. Batino is there to clean it up. But time is not on the side of the
Right,
Bolts.
exactly. Dahil sa mga tapon, dahil sa mga offensive rebounds.
At ito na yung sinasabi mo, napakahusay sumunog ng
Sa sunog
orasan.
ng oras yan, titira lang yan. Tapos hindi na makukuha ng Meralco and then they give up a foul.
2 shots na naman to parating para sa TNT. They will be on their way to take on SMB in the semifinal round.
That will be the meeting in the Final Four. And TNT for the second straight leg will frustrate Meralco in the quarterfinals after Meralco beat them doon sa leg 2 in the quarterfinals as well. O kung sa semis man sila nagharap.
Ganda ng pawian eh, no? Basta pagka knockout stage na, magkikita kayo. Hindi mo kakalimutan yung ginawa sa'yo the previous week, eh. No?
Tama.
Flores splits. 19-14 is the score. Meralco hoping against hope. And TNT can just dribble away the time here and pick up the big W. Eximiniano ends it in style. TNT ends it with .2 remaining on the clock.
Tinira pa, bakit hindi? 7 puntos na panalo, patungo sa semifinals. Meralco will drop its second straight match after winning their first game yesterday. That will be it for the Bulls at TNT once again. Back where they belong in the semifinals.
Sino kaya best player? Sino kaya?
Hulaan natin, hindi malaki, hindi mataas tumalon, pero mahusay at matalino. And when the game is on the line, Almon Bosontros is going to happen for TNT. Inside, no problem. Zigzag. Backing up, falling away from the 2-point line. Bosontros, unguardable at times. The scoring king reigns supreme versus Meralco.